So if you want to know what a early morning in Thailand looks like, this is what it looks like. Swaddy Kap. Pao. Two. This is called Pao.
Red pork. Sweet.
Two. And I'm right here at this little stand. Let's see it right there. How much? 24. 24?
Yeah.
Here. Take one there. So this is kind of like show pao in a way. Khap kun ka mak.
Khap kun mak mak.
Khap kun mak mak.
Yeah.
I'm trying to learn my Thai a little bit, so.
Yeah.
Sabadi mai ka.
Sabadi ka.
Sabadi ka.
Sabadi.
Khap kun ka. Thank you very much. I just love speaking to the Thais, and they kind of correct me on my Thai a little bit. You got another barbecue sandwich. Swaddy Kap. What is that, barbecue? What kind? Pork.
Moving.
How much for one?
10 baht.
10 baht. Can you get me 3 of them? 3? What?
30 baht.
30 baht. Okay. There we go. There you go. Khap kun ka. Thank you very much. Swaddy ka. Swaddy Kap. And another one. Sabadi mai krap.
Sabadi Kap.
Please, Swaddy mai krap.
Sabadi Kap. Sabadi mai.
So the only way I can practice my Thai is actually talk to myself.
Sabadi mai. Sabadi Kap.
Khap kun mak krap. That is accurate. So, if you want to know what it's like, it's kind of like an early morning walk. Picked up a little bit of food here. I love talking to these Thai vendors, and really nice.